Hello techies, this is CompTIA 11.1.6 and we're going to configure Screened Subnet. So here we want to drag in screening firewall and internet router. Let's move this internet router up and position this here. Then we want to fix in the firewall here. And the reason why I'm doing this is so that it will be easy to do the connections when I'm connecting the nodes. Alright, so we'll go ahead and do the connections. I want to select my node and connect these to router port 0. I'm going to connect this to the screening firewall, and this is going to be the ENP2S0. And I'm going to connect this to ENP2S1, connect this to ENP2X0, and from there we connect ENP2S1 to the COP server and to ENP2S1. So all nodes are already using diagram. Okay, so I think we've used all the nodes required for this. The next task is to use the switch to connect the web and email servers to the proper location in the screened subnet. Alright, so we want to select the screened subnet here and position it somewhere where it will be easy to connect the nodes. I think this position is okay. Let's move it here. Alright, so we want to connect the web server. Let's position it here, and the email server, we're positioning it here so that it will be easy to do the connection with the nodes. And here we want to select our nodes. Here we want to EMP2S2. Connect this to the port 0, and from here we want to connect this to port 1, and this is going to be to Ethernet, and connect this from port 2 to the email server Ethernet port. So let's go ahead and score lab and see how we do and everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're having challenges with any of your tech courses, reach out to me through WhatsApp. If any of your grade is suffering and you're not sure you come out with an A at the end of the course, reach out to me through WhatsApp and I will make sure you come out with an A at the end of the term. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.